Okay, welcome back. Friday, our first Friday of distance e-learning. So yesterday we talked about circumference is pi times diameter. Okay, and that would refer to our circle all the way around. And this is our radius. And our diameter is all the way across. So whatever this value is, you multiply by 3 14/100ths, and you get the perimeter, basically, or the circumference of the circle. Okay. Today we're going to talk about area of a circle. Most of you probably have an idea what that is, and I'll even write it down. So the area of a circle is pi times radius squared, or pi times radius to the power of 2. And we'll talk about how that came to be and why it works. So let's first talk about a square. So a square, let's say we have that length. And let's refer to that as the radius. You'll see why in a second. So this would be 2 radiuses for this length and 2 radiuses for this length. So for the area of this square, it would be 2 times 2, which is 4, and r times r, which is r squared. Okay, so this whole area of this square is 4r squared. So imagine if we had a circle. I'll try my best to draw a perfect circle in here. Okay, so now you see that the radius is still r. And how this came to be is this. So if we have this radius and we form this radius also, so this whole thing could be referred to as radius squared. And here's another radius squared, because it is radius by radius, and another radius squared, and then our last radius squared. But obviously the circle is less than the square. So if we were to find the ratio, if we take this piece that is just the circle, and this piece, and this piece, and this piece, it is 3 14/100ths of the full square. So basically it's saying you could fit a little over 3 of these radius squares, a little over 3 of these into this circle, because you have to take some out and take this out and take this out and take this one out. So 3 14/100ths of these radius squares will actually fit the area of the circle. Hence, your area of a circle would be 3 14/100ths times whatever the radius is by itself, or pi times radius squared. I'll have homework on Canvas today, and we have our first little quiz on Monday. So have a fantastic weekend.